Size of a little rock. Little tidy shoddy. That's her in the wilderness.
She's a beauty.
Indeed,
in the making.
she is. I hope she fucking holds up now. I got some heavy rounds in her to see how she works. This is not long after my last fucking shitio runting season. I should have gave him a shotgun to hold on to too for upper just in case. You never know when one can fuck up, but I mean, the man can always kick a moose in the nuts, you know what I mean? But
or grab it, just squeeze.
Person. I got earplugs. I wasn't being a dummy. I brought earplugs. I found in the toilet.
I forgot to grab tissue to plug my ears.
Tissue. Right to the ashes, look.
Jehovah's Witness.
Jehovah's shitness. Alrighty. Yeah, I'll probably just have a smash to hold on. If you want, that's almost what I'd rather. I'd rather be like this. People still know who I am, but not everybody. Alright. He's walking in. Maniscope Trail. I just took out my earplugs. I don't know what the fuck I did with them. But, oh, put them right back in. Up here, where the skipper's piece cutting the wood. So obviously, anybody with a lick of common sense is gonna go up a good bit farther. It's a marsh, remember? We had a fire on the opposite side of the marsh. Yeah, that's the farthest we went up her. Yeah.
SKA, same fucking what's the car? Fucking his shotgun.
That took some fucking hits, boys. This tree here. The back here without shooting. It's funny enough, man. I don't see. I do see. Boom, 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 boom. That comes out the sides. Hits notches and comes out weird ass ways. Can't hear no one now, even with my earplugs in. No one said.
I can't hear nothing. No. I got no earplugs in, so.
Alright, fuck it. I'm a nervous little bitch, boys. Jesus. Holy fuck, man.
My ears are ringing.
Holy fuck, that's rough, boys. That's a fucking hood gun, man. I'm gonna get back this way to you and get you to trying to get it on the third angle. Jeez, man, that kicks.
Oh man, the fucking ringing in there.
What are you using too long of a shell? I'm not sure. I don't think I am though. Definitely needs to be greased up better. Then fucking Buckshot had no problems like one of them. She goes. So bad that time. I was snapping his head. Red means you're about to, you can kill. Now hold it like you're holding a fucking hammer, because that'll hit you in the fucking right in the lips, like you see on all things. Yeah, go low shot, see what you're dealing with. That's only, you got to realize this is a burst first. That's not as bad. That was light, and that's going to be a box. That was all, most our box. Be ready for a hard one like that every time. Oop. Yeah, hold back, slap head, push head, yep, force it. Got it, buddy.
Oh yeah, that was a fucking beauty one. This one you want to hold down right here. Oh.
Holy fuck. Jesus Christ. Check her again, check her again. Because when it clicks like that, they can still have something in it. You're good, Claire. Sometimes they'll do that and you can wait 60 seconds, they'll go boom. But you're
man, that was nice. That was beautiful.
That was sick, boy. It worked perfect for you. That was dandy. For dummies everywhere. A lot of them. Find out what ammo works best in your shotgun. Just because you went out your first day, paid $800 for a fucking shotgun, and it was jamming up a bit. It don't mean shit. I'm after having tons of guns do that, and every other time I went up there fine. So it needs to be properly greased up, which I never did. You need to check over all your nuts and bolts and everything, all your twisties. That's coming loose. All your twisties. Safety zone. Basically, check your shit. Make sure you don't shoot your buddy in the head when you're checking your bolts. And hope the fuck it doesn't jam on you. Maybe not. You should be able to use all of them, but some slubs are just cheaper and shittier.
Yeah, that's what I want, so.
See that?
Cool. Hitting a fucking eyeball with a fucking branch. Small bejesus.
See that there? I'm taking that down now.
That's what I want.
Big branch? Alright, we're gonna get this fucking ugly top sucker down. Come here, you bitch. Jesus, she almost went fucking whore.
No. Whoa,
she fucking came down.
It fucking.
That almost took me the fuck out, man.
Saying karma's a bitch.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah.
Fucking thing's half heavy, though. That's how you brings down some fucking wood chips in Newfoundland. Jesus, I was wondering about that for a long time. I was shooting at that for weeks, boys. That it came up that time. She said no, not taking no more. Wonder what that's gonna look like on camera, man. It's burnt. Burnt. Fucking hell of a piece of equipment for making wood. I'll give you a full clip now.
Set up this little target right there.
Branch down.
Set up that.
Put that up there.
Yeah.
That's safe.
This before facts. Let's see what the after facts are.
For that wood. He's close. He just blew the fucking shit out of it. Put her down for safety. She's got a jam too, buddy. You got a stovepipe. He just blew the fucking cunts out of it. Look, he blew the fucking Christ out of it. Look, boss. He just punched it. Like, if you need to make splits, just call TJ back. This is it. Fuck, you blew the shit out of him. He has to put another few off him, man. That looked pretty wild. Last couple, look at this one. He got a certain tenderness to him. You blow him the fuck. Check this. Okay, so she's on safe. Good shit, T. Look, you had her on safe. You had her in safe direction. And she is... Looks like she's hot. She wasn't spitting out the thing, so we can't tell for sure. Now get back a bit too, because that'll fuck your eyes up.
Yeah, my eyes already hurt.
Look at this. And blow the fuck out of that big log up there.
Like from out there?
Yeah, holler out back. Boom. Slap her head, yeah. Holy fuck, he took the whole tip top off one. Chunks out of it. Took the big one down. He fucking mustard the top of that log, boss. See all the fucking wood chips. Look, he fucking cremated the fucking thing. Keep that safe.
Oh no, it's not loaded.
Oh yeah, I don't know that.
No, it's not loaded. I wouldn't have done that.
Sick. That's nuts, buddy. Actually, look at the chips TJ got there. He thought of the ideas, look. Pop that off.
Look, you little holes going to the fucking.
If you can fucking pop that off with a 12 gauge shotgun, boss.
Well,
That was the main spots I was hitting it though the past few weeks.
That's just splits right. Look at that
rough,
apart, man. It's pretty heavy fucking wood.
So yup. A fair bit of jamming with her. First time, but I never cleaned her out like I said. Nor looked her over really. And semis, yeah, that's the one thing about them, they do jam. But she's just like, if she works like a pump shotgun, she's still just as deadly. Still works every shot when the hammer's over the fucking thing. I gotta grease her up properly and she'll be fine. Had it happen to miniguns. Not on, she's hotter than Satan.
Oh Jesus.
And you flick her in. And then you get your buddy TJ. Help you. So look, we got some branches to pop off.
Look at the fucking gloves on.
Shit, man. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna go for him, the one you took down.
Boom. And I stuck up that other big branch and whacked in the head up there, so.
Man. Oh no. Dropped it. Alright, quick reload. She fucked up. Drop her in. Straight. Slap her head. Boom. Hotter than Satan. So the video cost 900 bucks. Not a cheap video to make. Fucking worth every penny though. If it's something you enjoy, it's like it costs nothing, I suppose. A one-handed shot with the shotty now. I would have had to accomplish this if I had to come by myself. Like, so this is a one-handed shotty shot. She jams though, so it's gonna be a bit of a fuckery. Woo! Fucking safety. I don't even know if I want to try that one hand actually. Fuck it. That gets a kick on the wrist, boys. Alright, we're gonna do it again. One-handed. Oh fuck, just some heavy.
I got your wrist a little bit.
Oh, it do. One-handed, boss. 12 gauge. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'll let you do it. You hold next for the next one. That's a bit hard on the wrist. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Alright, buckshot.
Yeah, I know one of them sound fucking loud, man. It was there, now it's gone.
4 pieces for a weed.
Oh,
We get multiples though, what I told.
say it's popped off.
See through.
Live beer in action. Yeah.
Hey, boy.
We're gonna take it down.
Wood plugs are that's all I need. Tell these fuckers. Canadian Tire, you gotta get your shit right. Or I gotta fucking clean out my guns. A bit better, one of the two. But I'm gonna blame you guys because it's easier. You're right. Yeah. I just think it. Might hold a chunk of my face on if this thing blew apart, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That'd be nice, at least. Alright. Lord forgive me for doing this to this gun. Let's hope it works this time.
Holy fuck.
Look at it punch a hole right through.
Holy fuck, bah.
What the fuck was I using in that? Well, hopefully that wasn't a buckshot, man. Yeah, I gotta watch out. A little lower with that.
It's probably different bullets that you're putting in it. Holy fuck. Ooh. Through it. You can see right through it. Holy fuck, bah.
Sweet maker, buddy. Look how big it is. And look what's holding it up. Things. See? How big it is. So you can see what I'm seeing. You can fucking film out through what the shotgun's just hitting the tree. Lovely, look. Tease hand. Alright, nothing in her. I'm gonna give T a few more shots. Just trying to find the right amount of shots for me. I think level 8 seems to work run best in this gun so far. Alright, 3, 2, 1. You're dead, son. Ooh, fucking jam, man. Why? Why? Ah! You fucking slut. A stovepipe. That looked like it made it move, didn't it? You push it ahead. Well, I shouldn't have to do that. It's an $800 gun.
Yeah, another one in there. No.